Hi everybody, here's another of the Qlik 24 days. This one's called Show All Values. If we look on this screen here, what we can see is that it looks okay at first glance until you look at the months, and you'll see that some months are missing. So it's a little bit misleading, and if you don't have good data literacy, you probably won't get it. So there's a fairly simple solution to add in the months with zero values. And the formula is up here. The sum of sales is what we had before. We're just adding on a sum and then a set analysis and a zero. Now that set analysis ignores any other selections that have been made. And so that makes lots of sense. Now when we jump over to here, a couple of notes around it. The orientation on the bars, you may have noticed, changed. That's because the chart is slightly wider. If we made the chart wider on our canvas, on our screen, it would go around and orient in the correct direction. The average and trend lines can be added into this without any problems, and we'll take into account the zeros, which is nice. And on entering this sheet, there's a default selection that looks at Belgium for sales, and the reason it does that is that there are some zeros in that area. Now the last thing to think about here is that if you do select some months in the formula, you'll have some months disappear and they'll become zeros. So that looks not very good. And so you'll see in my formula down the bottom here, I've used set analysis once again, and that set analysis is basically saying if somebody selects a month, so this month equals piece here, that tells Qlik to ignore that, and because it ignores that, we get the correct answer in our chart. Okay, thanks very much. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated, and like the video as well. Thank you.